Maybe you're super confused when I say, dice this, saute that, whisk this. Or maybe you're like me and you just want to be a chef when you grow up. You may even just like food and want a reason to eat more. Whichever one sounds more like you, I have an invite just for you. Join me July 20th through July 24th live on YouTube for Kids Cooking Camp. I'm going to cover all the basics, but you have to sign up using the link below. You're going to get an email from me with everything you need a few days before camp. And when we finish, you'll get your very own Kids Cooking Camp certificate. So share this with a friend and I'll see you at camp. Bye!